Okay, so today we're going to be installing these custom off-road bash plates to our MUX.
That's because about 3 months ago we went to King Lake. It was just supposed to be a little adventure. There's a walking track there that's really fun. And we decided to test out this full drive track. We hadn't got new tyres for our car yet. They were just plain old road tyres. And we decided to go down the track on a rainy day that said dry track only. We were just feeling very brave.
It started off okay, and then it gradually got worse.
So we turned around and
coming
came back.
was worse.
We caught up with the hill and
we bent the factory bash plates quite badly. So we chose the custom off-road bash plates because we'd seen them a fair bit online. They appeared to be relatively well made. But for example, on the sump guard, it came with cutouts, importantly, to get access to the sump plug. There have been stories of other branded bash plates that don't have those cutouts, and so when you go to have your vehicle serviced, you get flogged pretty large fees to have all of your bash plates removed to drop your oil. And we've gone for the 3mm 3-piece kit. We're not planning on bashing the car in so much. We needed the combination of 3 and 4 mils. So let's get going and put them on the car.
Alrighty, so bash plates in. How did we go?
It was a bit more difficult to get the transmission plate on than expected. It has a couple of little plates that you put into the transmission cross member, and the instructions on fitting those weren't so obvious around which way they go. So it took maybe 20-30 minutes to figure out how to get them in properly and not have them bounce out of the way. But once that was in and that bash plate was all sort of loosely held in, the other two went in quickly within about 15-20 minutes. So pretty good, really.
Sweet. Does the car feel any different?
No, exactly the same.
Exactly the same. Beautiful.
But they're tucked up in there. They're not so obvious with the factory bumper.
Now we just gotta see how they fare next time.
Yep. Yep. Definitely much tougher than the other ones.
Beautiful. Well, that's it.